Hey guys, this review's more back with a quick review. This is on the Amazon Basics concentrated cleaning supplies. So this they have a variety of cleaning supplies. This is the window cleaner, which we're going to test here. They also have like carpet cleaner and a bunch of other stuff, but this is just for the window cleaner. So this is basically a replacement for Windex. So you're going to fill this bottle with about a quart of room temperature water. You can use warm; it won't really make a difference. It might cause your bottle to shrink if you don't do it, if you make it too hot. But it comes with these little packets. This little packet of 3 of concentrates, as well as the bottle itself. The spray bottle costs about $13 on Amazon. If you just want the concentrates, all you need to have is $10, and they'll ship it to you for free. So it's very inexpensive, and it makes a quart, which is a good bit better than the average size for Windex. I think this is 900 plus milliliters. An average Windex bottle is 700. So this is basically 3 bottles of Windex for about $12 to $13. Or once you don't have to buy the spray bottle again, you can just go ahead and use the concentrates for 10. So you get 3 for 10 for the lifetime as long as the bottle lasts. Or you can buy a cheap dollar store bottle. It doesn't really matter. But here's how you do it. You get that 1 quart of water, you put that in there, you then let it sit for about a minute, and then you start shaking it to get it to go loose. And it does take a little while. It takes longer. I think if I used warmer water, it would have dissolved quicker. These are dissolved packets. You don't need to strain out any plastic. It completely liquefies, and there's nothing left to it. But you do have to let it sit for just a minute. That's probably the most annoying part about it is the wait, because I had to film this, and I'm clearly not a very good editor. So here you go. Overall, very satisfied with the product. So if you're worried how well it did pretty good. We're going to test it on a mirror. The mirror will have Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce smeared on it, as well as butter. The only thing we didn't test is dried on gunk, because I just didn't feel like taking a blow dryer to a mirror covered in butter and sugar. So we just did this to basically test it out. It is essentially Windex. It's even blue like Windex, which is really more of a color coding kind of thing. The sprayer is actually very nice. Strangely enough, it feels very smooth. It feels better than your average Windex sprayer, so it goes on real nice. Has a nice even spread to it. If you're worried about that, it does work extremely well in my opinion, with no streaks. In fact, when you see the results, you'll probably be pretty happy with them, like I was. The worst part about it was my paper towels, because we're in the middle of a paper towel shortage everywhere in the country, which is very annoying. I had to buy some El Cheapo paper towels. You can probably get some better results, like a microfiber cloth. So it left behind some, not streaks, it left behind like fiber from the paper towels. So with that's about it, guys. I'm going to leave some elevator music for you to listen to while this is going on. You can just see the results. I filmed all the actual testing in real time, so if you want to skip ahead to the results that kind of show before and after, skip about 9 minutes and 40 seconds and you'll see it there. The main reason why I got these is partly for environmental reasons, because you're talking about the same price, but when you ship these, it comes in a container and it weighs like 4 ounces, because it has 3 concentrates, a plastic bottle, and that's it, which means you're saving not the environment with plastics, because there's still plastic involved, but you're also saving a lot of the shipping and the cost of shipping liquids over distance. So we're making the glass dirty. The remainder of the video is going to be elevator music instead of my annoying trumpety-like voice, and then you get to see the results at about 9 minutes and 40 seconds if you want to see what it looks like. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found the review helpful, and these products, based on their window cleaner, their glass cleaner, I'm pretty happy with it. So you see it being tested in the mirror, and that's, I think, a good way to test it. Did a great job. Came very, very clean, even after this very beyond normal scenario of butter and sugar being smeared all over the glass. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel.